them right up, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will have passed my test one day. Is that
Yeah. Oh, did she clip that then? Can you tell me
Yeah.
what the minimum tyre tread depth is, please?
1.6 millimetres.
Good morning, young man. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Sorry, I had to lock the front door. There's charity knockers going on and I'm not keen on them.
Goddamn charity knockers.
Literally, there's one, okay, I'm not joking you, maybe 3 a week here. Different ones.
Okay.
All the time. And they got the cheek to park by my sister's car.
Well, are they selling something or?
I don't know what they're doing. There's so many fake ones going around. It's unbelievable.
Is there? Okay. Right, okay, so, Geraint. How did your last lesson go?
It wasn't bad, the last one, was it?
Wasn't bad at all. Why did it go better than the previous ones, you know?
I think it was because I had a bit of help off you that time.
Okay, cool. Now then, shall we do what am I wearing?
Big bad examiner.
Big bad examiner.
So mock test time.
Mock test time. You ready for it?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
I'll just put this in the back there.
Yeah, no worries. Right then, okay, so we'll be going for a little drive round.
Yeah.
A normal driving test takes about 40-45 minutes. Okay,
Yeah.
ours will be about 1 hour and 20 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Because I'm evil. Can you tell me
Yeah.
what the minimum tyre tread depth is, please?
1.6 millimetres.
Excellent. Is there anything else you're looking for on the tyres?
Any like wires exposed and stuff like that?
Would you say the word damage?
Yeah, damage, yeah.
Okay, damage covers everything. The actual words are cuts or bulges, okay? But if you just say the word damage, then they'll be happy with that.
Do you want to know how I know that?
How do you know that?
Learned it at my mechanics course.
Right then, okay, so move away when ready, please.
No problem.
Now then, I shall be giving you directions. If I need you to turn left or right, I'll give you plenty of warning, okay?
No problem.
So if I don't say anything, just keep following the road ahead for me, please.
Okay.
Go on, move away when ready, please.
Right. Just going to adjust the seat a bit more forward. There we go. Mirrors are okay. Into first. Cover, signal. Point by point. And make a quick look over the shoulder. So, when safe to do so, can you show me how you'd switch on the rear demister, please? It's with a button down here, I'm not sure where, but I know it's there.
Okay. Just follow the signs for Porthmadog. signs for Portsmouth Dog, please. Following the signs for Portsmouth Dog, please.
No problem. You need that one too, yeah.
Look at the sign. Portsmouth Dog is straight ahead, yeah?
Oh.
Can't. You've committed. Pop your right indicator on. The only way to get out of this now, pop your right indicator on.
Yeah.
There we go. Just go all the way around the roundabout. So if you needed to be over there,
Yeah.
you were in the wrong lane and there's people in the outside lane, so you've chosen the wrong lane. So what you can do is go all the way around. Now
Yeah.
you're in the correct lane, aren't you?
Yeah.
Somebody's crashed now, look. That's it, all the way around. All the way around. That's it. Look for the signs for Portsmouth Dog for me. You see the green sign?
Ah,
over
yeah,
there?
I see it.
Left mirror now. Make sure there's nobody in the outside lane. And away.
Nobody there.
So that's the only way to get out of here.
Yeah.
So you got yourself out of trouble there then, just by going all the way around the roundabout.
That's it.
Go with your gut instinct. Do you think they're going to Gruslan? Do you think they're going to Gruslan?
This one.
Only the one with the right indicator was going to Gruslan. Find the bike point. Find the bike point. Hold it. More gas. That's it. And away. Now, only one car was coming round. Yeah?
Yeah.
The one with the right indicator on. Everybody was in the outside lane going for Carnarvon, wasn't they? Yeah?
That's it.
We're going left of the next junction. Need to put into first, did you? Right then, handbrake on into neutral for me. If a pause becomes a wait, yeah, then into neutral, handbrake on, yeah? It's much better for the car than sat there with your clutch down for ages and ages and ages. Just missed it. It literally is going to push me over the edge one day. You're going to see me walking up and down by the side of the road in my underpants, talking to myself with a can of Stella.
I will have passed my test, wonder. Is that David?
Yeah. Oh, you know, did she clip that then?
I don't know.
I think she clipped that then, didn't she? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she clipped the board thing.
Oh, fair play, the guy's coming to pick it up.
Right, get ready for me.
Bugger.
Oh, you fucked that one right up, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, clutch down for me into first gear.
Yeah.
Do not bring that clutch up, okay? If you bring that clutch up, I'm going to poke you in the eye, okay?
Okay.
All I want you to do when that red light goes off
Yeah.
is let the handbrake go and find the bike point, okay?
Okay.
Oh, there's actually cars coming towards us. So back into neutral. Because it's a three-way, yeah?
Yeah.
So the little sensor on top of the traffic light is picking up on movement. Okay? You see a little aerial above that red light?
Yeah.
They're talking to each other. Clutch down for me into first gear. Let the handbrake off. Just touch the brake pedal. When that red light goes off, take your foot off the brake pedal, off the brake pedal, find and hold it, a little bit of gas, and away. There we go. The guy behind now has started breathing again. I wonder what the words they were saying.
Oh, I don't know.
We're following the road ahead, please.
No problem.
No, we're following the road ahead, straight ahead. We're not going left.
Oh no.
Halfway around, you can do that. There we go. Now, keep in the left. Stay in the left lane, yeah? On the approach to that roundabout, there's 2 lanes. If there's 2 lanes on the approach to the roundabout, what do we have to do on the roundabout?
Stay in the left.
Stay in your lane, okay? If there's only 1 lane on the approach to the roundabout, depending on the roundabout, and they're all slightly different, they've all got their own little things. Into third gear for me. So, 2 lanes on the approach, important to stay in the lane. Right, follow the signs for Porthmadog. Look at the sign. Which exit is it?
This one here, yeah.
Left. Which exit is it?
Left.
Okay, which number?
First.
Slow it down into second gear. Right, slow it right down for me. Let that white van get round. Look behind that white van. What can you see?
Nothing.
There we go. Away. Don't look at the cars. Don't look at the vans. Don't look at the vehicles. You can still see the vehicles in your peripheral vision. Yeah? Look behind the vehicles because it's the gaps we're most interested in, not the vehicles themselves. If there is movement by the side of you, you can still see it using peripheral vision. So don't stare at the vehicle and then look back, just look behind the vehicles. Look for the gaps.
A few minutes later.
See those white lines in the middle of the road?
Yeah.
What do they mean?
No overtaking.
Anything else?
Not that I can think of.
The actual words are must not cross or straddle. In other words, don't touch them unless you really, really, really have to, and only do so if you're 100% sure it's safe to do so, okay? So you imagine a car's broken down there, you can't sit behind that broken down car all day, can you?
No.
Yeah? So you'd have to cross the solid line. Solid line? What's wrong with my words today? The solid line, not wine.
You haven't had a can before coming out of it.
I should have. Like, the solid white wine. The solid white line. Well, right. Right. Come on now. Think. Solid white wine.
Oh.
That's tickled me, that is. Here's me trying to be all serious talking about a solid white line, and I'm talking about solid white wines.